Buddy, it's Monday morning. It's Labor Day. Oh, I'm stopping for a headlight. Yeah, it looks like a Chevy truck headlight. Yep, today's Monday. It's Labor Day. We're gonna go out and see if we can't find some scrap. We're already looking. Got fooled by a piece of plastic already. First thing. And actually, the funny thing is that there's no garbage service today because of it being Labor Day. So I'm hoping people have put stuff out anyway, just out of habit. We'll find out. Either I'll cruise around and waste some gas, or I'll find some scrap. Or a little bit of both, I should say. Let's see if we can pick something up today. Well, I guess there is some scrap out here today. Like I say, garbage is not going to pick up today, and the scrap yard's closed. So let's see if we can pick some more stuff up, fill the truck up, and we'll just add it for the load come Tuesday. All right, onward. All right, more scrap. An old clothes dryer. Set that there. Slippery. Yep, today's going to be a crapshoot. The only good thing is there's no garbage man to race. And because the scrap yard is closed tomorrow, I'm hoping there aren't as many scrappers out today. Because not everybody has the option of piling a bunch of junk in their yard. Well, we got some rain last night. Got up this morning and the bed was about 3 inches full of water. What do you know, it fits down there. All right, well, let's see what else we can pick up today. Oh, I got a little dumpster action here. Not seeing much. Somebody got the cord. Not worth it. Too much plastic. Huh. I got one little cord. Since Waste Pro is not running, it's worth having a look. All right, let's see what else we can pick up. All right, I got a little cord life here. Anything else? A couple little chunks. Yeah. Ew. All right, well, that's gonna do it. I think that's aluminum, actually. Been nice to find some brass in there. Oh. All right, down the road. Oh, looks like I got a critter cage. How you doing today?
That trap, try to use it. It's a harder freight one.
Yeah?
I'm trying to catch a cone, and I can't even catch a cat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the trigger's too stiff on it. So
Mm-hmm.
we even got another one. So.
Did you?
But yeah, you can try. I noticed the footprints were all on here yesterday morning. I was like, it's not even going off.
Yeah.
We got a raccoon problem.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see a lot of them. The garbage cans are mangled, you know. I see a lot of people with bungee cords and C-clamps and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch this big one, so it's
Yeah, they're a nuisance.
yeah, oh yeah, they're nasty.
Yeah?
Well, hey, you have a great day.
Yep, you too.
Yep.
Enjoy. Oh, the old critter trap. Well, I'll have to have a look at it. We might be able to sell it. Maybe we can adjust the mechanism and make it work a little better. I don't know. We'll see. Down the road. Oh, I got a mess here. TV cabinet or stereo cabinet or something. Take it all. Have a quick peek. Nope, nothing for me. Oh well. Take that. Yeah, we'll take them both. Very quiet on the streets this morning. A lot of people are off. Kids don't have to go to school. Of course, there ain't many garbage cans out neither. It's all right. All right, the clothes dryer pays for my gas soap. Let's see if we can find something else though. Yeah, looks like we got a little something here. Something to add to the truck. Not sure what the saw blade's about, but some kind of stand for something. All right. See if we can find something else. Well, we got a pile here. I do see some lamps. Toaster oven or microwave. Just gonna take that one because it's all metal. door panels. All right. Gotta love a toaster oven. Looks like they're doing a clean out. A couple of those actually this week in this neighborhood. As you guys seen on my Thursday video, I hit the clean out and dang near filled my truck with all the junk I got from those folks. All right, come on. Cooperate with me. And that cord is everywhere. Well, we got golf club. Another vacuum cleaner. A few odds and ends here, huh? What did I see? No, too much metal on that, or yeah, plastic and wood. However, I do want this goofy little metal rack. Oop. Set this here. Everything's gotten wet. Then we'll take that little chair. Another little Swiffer thingy. If I can fold this one up. Yes, I can. Had a viewer recommend doing that. Morning, how you doing?
Hey,
Another clean out?
right on, right on.
Allen bolts. Alright, well, I think that is going to do it for me. All right. Let's go see if we can find some more. Well, I think we can fit it in there. We move some of this stuff around. Stuff falling off the truck. That chair. I think we can get it up there. Let's see where the door's at. What do you know? It's on there. Set that there. Actually, I don't need this other strap on here no more. Of course, now I got it pinched in there. That'll be better used someplace else. is gonna take a minute. Oop. Oh, we got a folding chair. Alright, well, not the greatest scrap day, but we've seen far worse. Let's see if we can find anything else. Alright guys, the dilemma. Another dryer. Had to stand that old fridge up. What the world? This is a 110 dryer? Check that out. Whoa, slippery. It looks like it's Appliance Day. Have those Labor Day sales. What? Flip it like that. Get a strap over the top of this refrigerator. Because they do have a tendency to wobble. I got enough strap. Well, maybe. So if you didn't have that knot tied in it. Alright, give me a minute to work with this. Alright everybody. Done with the scrap route. We're just heading through this neighborhood, heading back to the homestead. Like I say, there won't be no payout today because the scrap yard's closed for Labor Day. So, ooh, lawnmower. Yeah, I think he's mowing the lawn. Yeah, well. So, where we didn't get a whole bunch of stuff, but we did get some good stuff. Got the truck full. Lots of appliances today. little odds and ends. Got some good cord life. Actually, I picked up a set of suitcases off camera. Thought it was one, but got another one inside of it. So, got a set of big suitcases. So Labor Day went pretty well for me anyway. What didn't get put out today will get put out Thursday. And hopefully we'll have a really good Thursday and a good Wednesday night. You know, I've had a couple people suggest about getting a rechargeable sawzall to cut up some big things on the side of the road, make them easier to load in my truck. You know, the only problem with that is not too many people want me cutting stuff up out in front of their house at 7 o'clock in the morning. I know I wouldn't be happy with it. Besides, I just pitch it in the truck and get it going. I thought maybe we might see something else on the way through here. It never fails. Well, let's take a little side run here. We got a little bit of room. Come back to you if I find something. All right, guys, back here at the homestead, unloaded the truck. What do we got? We got a fridge, 2 dryers. I feel like a dumbass. This dryer, I'm looking at it thinking, man, it's got a 110 plug. I've never seen that. Well, that's duh, it's gas. You know, we don't see a lot of gas dryers and gas appliances here in Florida. Everything's electric. Got some skibble scabble I threw over here in the skibble scabble pile. Steel frame, the table, chair, wire rack, that cage, which I'm just going to scrap that cage. Couple odds and ends. And I did pick up these suitcases, which need to get wiped down. Yeah, I picked the big one up, and the big one actually had the little one in it, so it's a match set. So I'll clean it up, let them dry out, and I'll probably post them for 30 bucks. And I shouldn't have no problem getting that. All the handles are there. The wheels work. Insides of them are really nice. So, shouldn't have no problem getting rid of those. Oh, and the golf club. And a golf club. Run, lizard. So, I think that's going to do it. Like I say, scrapyard is not open. So, I'm going to probably play with my junk back here. Get these suitcases cleaned up, ready to go, and list them. Well, we did all good. We did real good on cord life today. Gotta get through all that. All right, so guys and gals, we will see you later. Bye.